My name is Terry Butler. I'm product manager for Diversified, which is a distributor for Aqua Pro water quality products. But one of them that I'm going to explain to you today is the chlorination system. I'd like to start with the injector, which is the heart of the operation. This is also a Ventura that causes a suction to pull the chlorine out of the bottle through the regulator. When you have a problem, when you turn a chlorinator on and the ball didn't come up, or maybe someone calls you and says the ball's not coming up, 95% of the time your problem will not be with the regulator or the remote. It'll be with the heart of the operation right here. There's a possibility something, this is called the nozzle. You have an O-ring on the nozzle. This is called the diffuser. You also have an O-ring with it. These two pieces screw into each other. So you can take this nozzle, screw it out. In the hole is a Ventura. Now let's go on to the remote. This is a remote that we put inside the well house, so the farmer, when he's in the well house, he can look over and see if the ball's up and he's getting chlorine. Most of our competitors, they just put the regulator on the bottle. If they put it outside like we do, we put it in a plastic building for safety factors. This remote will cost you quite a bit extra, probably $400 or $500. It comes standard with the Aqua equipment. Now, when you have a ball, sometimes it will be erratic, coming up and down. Not often, but when it does, it'll be in this rate valve. This rate valve has an O-ring on the bottom of it that seats. That's your inlet valve. The O-ring that I'm talking about will be right on the bottom of the top section when you take it out. Sometimes could get pinched. Maybe somebody tightened that down too tight, bottomed it out, maybe cut that. That, if it's not seating proper, can cause your ball to be erratic. Now the regulator, when you get it, this is the part that goes on the bottle naturally. On the back will be a piece of paper, comes from the factory, and you'll notice there's a lead gasket. This lead gasket is very important. It fits right on the back of the regulator. Then when you mount this on the bottle, on the valve, and you tighten it down, this is the seat. It'll compress and seal it off. We have parts that come also standard with it. You have a wrench to turn to tighten it up on the bottle. Aqua also furnishes a manual that is really helpful. It has troubleshooting in it. It has also a breakdown. Let me just kind of open this up for you a little bit here. You have a breakdown of the chlorinator, the different parts when needed. It also has troubleshooting on the regulator, ejector, remote, everything, to tell you when something's not working. You can go to this chart and pretty well explain what you need to check in order to repair that.